Who, who wants to revise the definition of social problems and evils?
Ma'am,
Okay, Samik, raise the hand at first. Samik, okay.
any problem of the society that affects its development negatively can be called a social problem.
Okay, thank you. Similarly, okay, Abusan will give some of the examples of social problems and evils. Abusan.
Ma'am, examples. Ma'am, lack of educations. Ma'am, poverty.
Abusan is being confused because he did not submitted his assignment. He did not do the homework, so he has forgotten. So I'm repeatedly telling, please do practice. But I'm asking some of the examples of social problems and evils, not causes. Abusan. Okay. Next one, Prince.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give some examples of social problems and evils.
Oh, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, dowry system, child marriage, devki custom, caste system, and ma'am,
This was okay. Thank you so much, Prince.
superstition, ma'am,
Superstition.
superstition,
Okay.
gambling.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prince. Okay, Abusan, you can also see, you can also observe on the slide. Okay, these are the examples of social problems. Yeah. Okay. Malnutrition or the what malnutrition because of lack of food. We can see in our society that many people are suffering from malnutrition because of nutritious food. Okay, next, likewise, this one.
Dowry system.
Okay, dowry system. Okay, this one.
Child marriage.
Child marriage.
ma'am.
Next one, example of social evil of our society. This one,
Ma'am, caste discrimination.
caste discrimination.
Discrimination.
This one,
Ma'am, that
yeah,
gambling.
corruption, dealing and taking illegal money. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. आयो बुन को लिंक है.
This one, can you say?
Drugs.
Can you name the
Addiction or smoking?
Drugs addiction.
drugs abuse or drugs addiction? Okay. This one,
Smoking.
Ma'am, smoking.
Smoking.
okay. These are some of the examples of social problems and evils. I think now Abuson has understood about the examples of social problems and evils. When I checked your homework, I saw that I found the confusion on you about the examples of social problems and evils and causes. In causes, you are writing the problems or the evils, and in examples of social problems and evils, some of you have written. Some of you have written.
Ma'am, who's writing on the screen?
Who is scratching? Stop doing this. So this is more about social problems and evils. Okay, by birth, none of the people involved in any problems or evils. Yeah, because of the environment, because of the society where they are living, they learn bad activities or the bad habits from them. Yes, we all should try to not to involve in such kind of bad habits or the activities, and also try to suggest the friends, yeah, if they are involving in such kind of activities. Okay, next one, we also studied yesterday the reasons. Yeah, yesterday we also discussed about the reasons of social problems and evils. Yeah, you know, there are many causes or the reasons because of that there are many problems and evils in our society. Okay, I think we also discussed about the bad impacts, yeah, or the disadvantages. Did we, Rajit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday we also talked about bad impacts or the disadvantages also. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And you know, yes, there because of social problems or evil, there are many impacts or disadvantages. Yes, like it affects if you or if we involve in any kind of bad activities or bad habits, then it affects the study of us. Okay, it destroys the personal life of us as well as the society and the country. Okay, likewise, did we discuss about the solutions of these social problems and evil yesterday, Mohit? Okay, so can anybody revise some of the solutions? What should we do for stopping
May
the
I?
social problems and evils?
May I, Samip?
We saying me, Samip.
Yes, ma'am.
Samip has already got the chance. Okay, I would like to give chance to Rugosa. Rugosa, can you share some of the solutions of social problems and evils? What should we do for stopping this kind of problems and evils? Rugosa, Rugosa, do you want to speak? Do you want to share with us? No? Okay, Unnati.
Good afternoon, all of you. Namaste. Your teacher is joining. Just wait.
Unnati.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Unnati, are you listening to me?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Unnati, can you share some of the solutions of social problems and evils? What should we do for stopping this kind of evils and problems?
Ma'am,
we should avoid के भन्छन् त्यसलाई के भन्ने अब ए मुखैमा आइसक्यो कस्तो
What can Unnati do from her side for stopping the social problems and evils of our society? Unnati, what can
One
you do from your
class
side?
sound is coming in the background.
अल्कोहल मैले बोलिरहेको बेला अरू बोल्छन्
What should we
One
do?
class sound is
What
coming
should
in the
we do
background.
from our side? Unnati, any idea?
Yes.
Ma'am, from the whose background sound is coming so irritable.
अरू बोलिहाल्छ
Yes, ma'am. One class sound.
Okay, only for some minutes. Background sound is coming from here, I think. Okay, I think Unnati does not want to speak.
Ma'am, you can mute all, no?
Pranisa, do you know some of the solutions of social problems and evils?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share? Okay, who want to? We are not getting the voice of Pranisa. Who wants? Okay, Rugosa is raising the hand.
Ma'am.
Rugosa.
Yeah, ma'am, from my side, I will paste posters and do really like we have done in 5 class in by no smoking and no alcohol. We have done 5 class now it's all things that we have
The
done that
trend.
in this if a drama on it in the social events they can.
Okay, likewise, next one, who is interested sharing the solutions or the preventions of or the measures of social problems and evils? Next one, who is interested? Please raise your hand if you are interested sharing the solutions of social problems and evils.
And now there is no idea in my mind.
May I?
Okay, who is saying may I please?
Ma'am, Samip.
Ma'am, some
Okay, Samit now. It's your Samit now. Finally, it's your turn.
Ma'am, these 3 points.
Yes, solutions of the social problems and evils.
Ma'am,
W-A-Y-S. Wait.
these 3 points.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 3 points. We want to
Government.
ma'am,
we want to take your
ma'am,
views.
who's one class studying? Ma'am, there is another meeting in progress of someone, and who is not on meeting?
My.
Oh, you can
My.
open.
Ma'am, here is my sister also online class. I'll meet, okay?
Ma'am, my also sister on classes.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, Pravit, can you read the solutions of social problems and evils from the slide? From this slide, Pravit?
Yes, ma'am. Which number?
Okay,
Ma'am, which
these all 3 points.
number?
3 points all.
Okay. Government should educate to all the people of the country. Government should try to reduce or remove poverty.
Okay.
Parents should be model in front of the children.
Okay. Likewise, Rohit, read this one also.
We should try to avoid bad friends or try to suggest them. Government should try to give employment to all the people of the country. Government should try to control rapid population growth.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Prozit. So these are the solutions or the measures of solving social problems and evils. Number one, yeah, government should educate to all the people. Yes, when people get education, then they know the advantage or the disadvantages of involving in different kinds of social problems and evils. When people get education, they get employment opportunity, yeah, so that they do not involve in different illegal activities, yeah, which is helpful to remove the social problems and evils from our society. Okay, similarly, number two, government should try to reduce or remove the poverty. Yeah, you know poverty. Poverty means, anybody remembering?
Some lack of money.
Lack of money.
Lack of money or wealth. Yes. If poverty removed from the society, then many people do not involve in illegal activities. Yeah, for fulfilling their wishes and needs. Okay, next one. Parents should be model in front of the student, in front of the children. Yeah. You know what does this statement means? If parents follow the good behaviors or good habits, then their children also learn from them, and it will be helpful for removing or minimizing the social problems and evils. Okay, likewise, okay, we should try to avoid bad friends. Yeah, now you are the age teenage, you may have many friends, and that what you can share the feelings which you cannot share with your parents or other. So uh, in this age, you should not be, or you should not have friendly relationship with the bad friends, or even if you have already such kind of friends, then you should try to suggest them not to involve in such kind of activities or evils. Okay, number five, government should try to reduce, government should try to give employment to all the people of the country. Yes, if all the people are employed, then people do not involve in evil activities or illegal activities for fulfilling the wishes or needs of them. Okay, and it will be helpful for minimizing the social problems and evils from the society. Okay, likewise, last solution here is government should try to control rapid population growth. You know what is
But
rapid?
how stop rapid
Okay, let me tell. Rapid population growth
Ma'am,
means that.
Ma'am, how can the government stop rapid population?
Once again, Prince.
Ma'am, how can the government control rapid population growth?
By
Yes,
giving,
mine also same question.
there are different organizations in Nepal or in the country, yeah, for giving education about controlling the rapid population growth. Yes, there are, but by giving education about the disadvantages of the rapid population growth, yeah, by giving education to the women, by giving employment to all the people. There are many organizations for giving education about the disadvantages of rapid population growth, or many other disadvantages. By
Ma'am,
through,
there are advantages of that population.
please say
And there are
clearly.
both
Okay,
ma'am,
say
there
once
are
again.
both advantages and disadvantages of rapid population growth.
There are not advantages, disadvantages. How there will be that, but advantages because of rapid population growth. But because if population, government cannot increase the resources, you know, like education facilities, health facilities, similarly employment facilities. Can government increase such kind of facilities according to the increase of the people? Is it possible? Obviously not, yeah. if no,
Ma'am, due to a survey, the scientists say that in 1 second, 4 babies are born.
yes, and we can take the example of us. If in my family or in Prince family, if there are 10 children instead of 2, then can your parents fulfill all the wishes of yours? Is it possible? No, yeah. And you have to
No, ma'am.
you have to face many problems. Yeah, in my family, instead of 2 children, my brother and me, if there were 10 children, then can my parents fulfill my needs, wishes? Can my parents give the good health facilities, education facilities to me?
No.
No,
No, of
obviously
course
not.
not.
Obviously not. Yeah. Likewise, the government also cannot fulfill all the wishes, all the wishes or the facilities. There are many facilities. Yeah. The government cannot give all the facilities to the people if there is rapid population growth. So,
Ma'am, middle class
sorry.
family can't do what high class family can do.
How that what the I class means?
Ma'am, the richest family.
If in this family also that what they started to that what increase bearing the many number of the children, then obviously there will be problem. Yeah, many problem.
Ma'am, and ma'am, can I see in Nepali?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Prince.
अनि तिनीहरू रिच फ्यामिली भए पनि त तिनीहरूको अर्को खर्चहरू पनि त होला घरको द्याट अनदर
Person, yeah,
फ्यासिलिटिज
the expenses
ह्यान्डल
also increase.
गर्न अलिक गाह्रो हुन्छ.
Yes, so it's very necessary to control rapid population growth for the development of the country. Yeah. So rapid population growth is one of the problem of our society. It should be solved. The government should give attention about it and try to give education to the people through different organizations. Okay, we had already discussed about this one also. Let's go on another slide. Okay, so in this way we have a complete this lesson. Okay, in this lesson we talked about definition of social problems and evils. Yes. Similarly, we discussed about different examples of them, and we talked about the different causes that impacts and how to solve them. Okay. In this way, we have completed this lesson. Now, do you have any question, any queries? I think Pranisa were asking me the question. Pranisa.
Ma'am, now there is not too much discrimination between son and daughter, yes? Now.
In
Because
cities, there are not, but still
the people
there
are
is
educated.
discrimination in village. In villages, still there is
Yes.
discrimination between girls and boys. Okay, Pranisa, first of all,
In some villages now also, ma'am.
yes. In cities,
In my
it
village
is
also.
decreasing. Only some people. Okay, Pranisa, if you are listening to me, can you repeat the question
Ma'am.
which you were asking to me? Other people, mute yourself, speak one by one. Understood, Pranisa? Did you get the answer of yours? Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
ma'am.
Next. Yes, who is speaking, please?
Ma'am, and there are some another peoples in the village that if we educate them to not do like this, they shout at us. Somebody, only
Yeah.
somebody, not all. They said this is just it is our family matter. Who are you to talk in middle?
Because of lack of education, they say like that, yeah, or the traditional belief. Yeah, if it is very difficult to solve this or convince to some of the people about that, but not discrimination, not don't do discrimination between girls and boys. Yeah, they shout on us because of lack of education. They do so. Okay, now let's have a discussion. Some of the questions related to this lesson. Yes.
Ma'am, in the past there was no school boarding for the education, that's why.
Yeah, in the past, yes, there were not many education sectors, and most of them remain uneducated because of that.
Ma'am, Prajit is playing with doll.
Rajit, please, you will have time after the class for playing. So give attention, full attention towards the class. Okay, now let's have a discussion on some questions related to this lesson, social problems and evils. Okay, here is Monish Bastial. Monish,
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is writing in
What
the
is, can you
screen?
help me by reading the question from the slide? Okay.
Why are women discriminated in our society?
Okay. Who knows the answer? Why? What are the reasons that there is discrimination?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
know.
may I? Ma'am,
Ma'am, first
Ma'am,
I
may I?
reason. No.
Me,
Who
ma'am.
is saying may I?
Ma'am, me.
Who is
Ma'am,
me?
Swami.
Somin has spoken so many times today. Okay, let's
Ma'am,
move
Can
on
I?
I'm
another
my hand.
student.
When can I?
Okay, Dilasa.
Ma'am, here is no Dilasa.
Is not Dilasa.
Yes.
Okay, then.
I think in Siruta there is no electricity. Many people are not present today.
Yeah, in my also there is no
Okay,
electricity.
Ansuman.
In my also.
Ansuman. Ansuman.
Yes,
What do you
ma'am.
think? What is the reason that what there is discrimination between male and female in the society?
Ma'am, can I say my opinion?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Not can I,
Ansuman.
may I?
Can you say
Yes,
your
ma'am.
point about it? Let me first the student who hasn't spoken today. Prakriti,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, do you want to give your view about why there is discrimination between male and female or between girls and boys? View about it?
Ma'am, I have no idea.
No idea? Okay, it's okay. Okay, who has the idea?
Me.
Okay, who is saying may I? Please tell your name.
Hi.
Abusan. Are you? Abusan.
Yes.
Okay, Abusan.
Men, the women discriminate in our society because when they married, they go to the another house. First reason.
My associate.
Same. Okay, do you have any? Okay, thank you, Abusan. Do any other have a different idea than Abusan? No?
Ma'am, they think that ma'am, they
Ma'am,
Yes, Prince, yes.
and they don't have that they don't are strong, they don't have that this much.
Means there is a that traditional belief female are or the girls are weaker than male.
Ma'am,
Prince, do you
ma'am,
want to say that?
due to my opinion.
Okay, it's okay.
Ma'am, may I
I
say?
respect your opinion. Okay, we say
Ma'am,
may
may I
I
say?
say please you can.
Ma'am, they think that mm, education to the girl or woman is not necessary because one day they will go to others home. That's why.
Yeah, exactly, yes. In that in our society there is a traditional belief that women that after marriage they go in to others house. Yes, so there is no that value of educating them. There is such kind of thinking mostly in villages. Yeah.
and I
Similarly,
hate
in
that.
our society there is also that what thinking that
That
what
hate
female or please mute yourself. Female or the girls cannot do the works or the job like males. There are such kind of what traditional belief. So because of lack of education, so we can see that what discrimination between male and female in our society. Now, did you
Ma'am,
get?
in the past there was too much, but now there is not too much.
Yeah, it is
Little bit.
decreasing day by day. Yeah, but it's still
Because
there.
because the boarding and the school are also being building at village.
Yes, education is spreading, yes, in the present
Yes.
time, so it is decreasing day by day slowly. Okay, now did you get why there is discrimination between male and female? Have you got the reason? Because of lack of education or because of traditional belief? They think that what women go or girls go in another house one day, so there is no value of educating them. Similarly, because of that traditional belief, they think female or the girls cannot do the works or job according to like male, so they do discriminate. Yeah, so there is discrimination between males and female. Okay, likewise, let's go the next question. Unnati,
Yes, ma'am.
can you help me by reading the question of the slide?
Why is giving and taking of dowry considered a social problem?
Thank you. So, do anybody has any idea why there is why giving and taking dowry considered a social problem? Why this is social problem? Giving and taking dowry is considered social problem or evil in the society or in the country because it creates very dangerous situation. Yeah, mainly in Torai region. I think you are hearing the news. The many women or the girls are rejected on the day of marriage because of dowry. Yeah, they are born or they are killed because of the issue of the dowry. Are you listening such kind of news?
Ma'am, dowry system means giving daiso.
Yeah, daiso. Yeah.
Ma'am, it
Again,
appears mainly in Torai region.
yeah. In hilly region also we can that what a few of the we can listen or we
Yeah,
can
in
find
few of the villages in the hilly region.
yeah. So it is problem because it has created very dangerous situation. Yeah, because of dowry that made many women or the girls in the Torah on the day of marriage they are rejected. Yeah, or they are born, they are killed, and these are the what very dangerous situation. Yeah, or the violent
Ma'am,
situation.
the girl family give to boy family, yes?
Yes,
Yes, yes.
money or property which should be given that was on the day of the marriage or after the marriage to
Yeah,
the
to the
bride.
husband.
So it is
Actually,
problem.
ma'am, may I
Okay,
say something in Nepali?
okay, you can.
Ma'am, केटाको फ्यामिलीले जे माग्छ त्यही दिनुपर्छ है
Oh yes,
No.
that's true. Both of them. In Torah, mainly in Torah region.
सबै
In
सना
few
मागै
cases, we can listen or the that we
Ma'am, I
can
have
listen.
seen one movie.
We have seen in our hilly region or the Himalayan region also.